The real voice finds something squishy. What's in the microwave? I'm the freaking real voice.
By the way, this is my fake voice. This was the voice that was manufactured in a hospital in 1973. But I digress. Today, I'm going to show you my top 3 candy snacks. Ooh. My number 3 favorite candy snack is your simple fruit roll-up. Misa like a fruit roll-up. They stick to your roof of your mouth and it feels so good. My number 2 favorite squishy snack is Welch's Juice Gummies. They are so delicious and I love them for my tummy. And my number 1 favorite chewy sweet snack of all time is fruit by the foot. Not by the arm, but by the foot. Misa like the juicy, sweet taste of a foot-long candy going down your gullet. Let me know in the comments what your favorite snack is. And don't forget,
I'm the freaking real voice.